What if I told you that the secret to shedding those extra pounds doesn't involve grueling workouts or complicated diets? Imagine transforming your body with something as simple as walking. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around to discover how many pounds you can shed just by putting one foot in front of the other. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to join our fitness journey. Let's walk this path together, pun intended. Have you ever felt like you're on a never-ending treadmill, chasing weight loss goals but never quite catching them? Well, it's time to step off the treadmill and step into the real world because walking, yes, walking can be your secret weapon against stubborn fat. Keep watching to learn how this seemingly simple activity can lead to serious weight loss results. The power of walking. Let's get straight to the point. Walking is more than just a way to get from point A to point B. It's a full-blown, calorie-torching, fat-melting activity that anyone can do. You don't need expensive equipment, fancy gym memberships, or elite athletic skills. All you need is a pair of good shoes and the will to start moving. The science behind it. Here's the lowdown. Walking burns calories. And burning calories means shedding pounds. It's that simple. But wait, there's more. When you walk at a brisk pace, you're not only burning calories, but also boosting your metabolism, improving your cardiovascular health, and even enhancing your mood. It's like hitting the jackpot of health benefits. How many pounds can you actually lose? All right, let's talk numbers. How many pounds can you actually shed by walking? The answer depends on a few factors like your weight, walking speed, and duration. But here's a rough estimate. If you walk briskly for 30 minutes a day, you can burn around 150-200 calories. Over a week, that's up to 1,400 calories. And in a month, you're looking at a potential weight loss of 4 not 5 pounds. Not too shabby for just walking, right? The walking plan. So how do you start? First, set a goal. It could be a certain number of steps per day or a specific distance. Start small and gradually increase your pace and distance. Mix it up with different routes to keep things interesting. And most importantly, stay consistent. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Walking for weight loss is all about building a sustainable habit. Tips to maximize weight loss. Want to supercharge your walking routine? Here are some tips. Walk uphill or on an incline to increase the intensity. Incorporate interval walking by alternating between fast and moderate paces. Use your arms to pump and increase calorie burn. Walk with a friend or join a walking group to stay motivated. Beyond weight loss. Walking isn't just about losing weight. It's about gaining health. Regular walking can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mental health, and enhance overall well-being. Plus, it's a great way to explore your surroundings, clear your mind, and connect with nature. Common myths busted. You might have heard that walking isn't effective for weight loss. Let's bust that myth right now. Walking is highly effective, especially for beginners or those who are significantly overweight. It's low impact, reduces the risk of injury, and can be done anywhere, anytime. So don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Final thoughts. Walking is more than just a simple activity. It's a gateway to a healthier, fitter you. So lace up those shoes and take the first step towards your weight loss goals. Remember, every step you take is a step closer to a better, healthier life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Let's keep walking and transforming together.